Hey guys, mcfixit here. I'm going to do a product review. This is a DeWalt. It uses the 20 volt lithium ion batteries. The model number on this is DCC020I. And this is an air inflator for your vehicle. I really like it. It uses, pretty much everyone's got a couple of these laying around, 20 volt max. I don't think they're really 20 volt. Sorry, DeWalt. But you just slide it in there and it's really easy to work. Has an on button. You set your tire inflation, which I'm going to show you on a vehicle, and that just keeps going around. This is one of the things I like but don't like about it. You got to spin this thing a while. This vehicle is 36. It also has a light feature on it. Not super bright, but does work. Has been helpful a couple of times. It also allows you to have a very long power cord. I kept mine pretty wound up. That goes into a cigarette lighter. And then on this side, it does have the ability to like blow up an air mattress. It's this big long one. You plug it in, and then a couple other different, and if you need to pump up a basketball or something. But I use this for tires. I'm going to show you exactly how it works and talk a little bit more about why I like it. I don't really review things because I get paid to do it, because I don't. Nobody sponsors me. But I did want to show you how this works and why I like it so much, especially if you get stranded. This works really well. One thing I will say before we even get started, the batteries do not last in this thing forever. I think it's quicker than running a drill sometimes. So if you have to inflate all your tires on a daily basis, probably not the tool you're looking for. You're going to want a big air compressor for that. But if it's just the occasional one looks low or your sensor comes on and tells you to do it, this is a great tool for this. So I'm going to show you from the start. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Typically what I would do if I came up a tire looked low or my sensor came on, go ahead and hit the on button. It doesn't take any time at all to register. Go ahead and undo your cord here. Then you're going to take off your valve stem cover. One thing you will realize is on here, it does spin on, and you will actually lose just a touch of air. As I'm spinning this on, you want to make sure you're nice and straight. Or just a little bit of air loss. You don't want to over tighten it. Typically, once you've heard that air, you are pretty good and set. Go ahead and spin your dial. It does take a while to spin up. This one is supposed to be 36, so it is a little bit low. Has been a little cold this week. And I always bump it up half a one higher. You hit the little play button and it go ahead and starts. And so it is not the fastest, but it does really well of filling it up, making sure you know exactly how much PSI you have in your tires. When you get done, I go ahead and turn that off and spin it to the left. And that goes ahead and removes that. Always put your valve caps on. If you live in the north in particular, get rubber valve stem caps. Don't get the metal ones. They may look fancy. I've had multiple times where I had to buy an entire new valve stem, and then you just wrap your cord back up in there. Now, if you are going to use this inside your vehicle and use the cord here, you will want to unravel it. You take the plug it in on that side. The other one goes right into your cigarette outlet, and works really well for that. I've done it a couple of times, but because my battery has been dead or whatnot, but I really like this product. It does say it goes up to 160 PSI. Not certain if that's the case. I've never tested it, but I'll just go with them and say it fills up your tire really well and probably goes up a lot higher than that. But I really enjoy this product. I use it all the time. I keep it in my vehicle just in case I ever have a flat. It does take a while if you do have a flat and you are sitting on your rim, so if this is on the ground, I would plug it in. Know that it takes a little bit of time, but this can really save you if you're out in the woods or if you're out in the middle of nowhere, out in the desert or something like that. Could be really, really handy for you to be able to make sure you are fully pumped up with air. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe if this video was helpful. Comment if you like this DeWalt tool, if you have it or know somebody that does. Again, this is my unbiased opinion on this, not paid or sponsored by anyone. Thank you guys so much.